Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Google phone sound and vibration setting. And today we will tell you guys how to change Google phone alarm ringtone. Friends, you want to change guys your Google phone alarm ringtone guys. So friends, how to change it guys? Sorry friends, I paused the video. Continue friends. You want to change guys your Google phone guys alarm ringtone guys. You can change guys your phone setting. We will on guys phone setting. After on phone setting guys, click on guys your Google phone sound and vibration guys. We will on it. After on guys sound and vibration guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone alarm sound, alarm ringtone guys. You can change from here guys. Which ringtone guys you like guys? We will select. Then select the ringtone and then click on save option. Then guys your ringtone will change guys. You will not click on guys save option. Friends, your phone ringtone will not change. So friends, you can use guys this sound guys. I have changed. Friends, you can increase and decrease your this alarm volume from here guys. And friends, you want to set guys your phone any custom ringtone, your alarm custom ringtone guys, you can set from here guys. This plus option guys, tap here. And friends, I don't have guys any download alarm ringtone, so friends I cannot change. But guys, you want to change guys, you have, so guys you can change from here. So friends, you can change guys your alarm custom ringtone, but guys I have guys this pixel ringtone. So guys I will jump start guys, I will tap here, and guys I will save option, tap here. Friends, you can see this jump start ringtone will change in my alarm sound. Friends, you can increase, you can check from here this alarm sound. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood guys how to change guys Google phone guys this alarm ringtone. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your Google phone alarm sound? So friends, you can ask and you can ask me in comment section guys. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.